All right, here at Penmar at 8:45. Beautiful day. Cold and windy and wet, but we got 3 troopers here. It's gonna be a long weekend.
We're all happy in this shot. Just wait.
Yeah. I'm gonna in 3-4 hours. I'm gonna do another update.
Woo! I'm cold already. Gotta get moving. Here we come to the first little bit of signage here. Oh yeah. And we're off. Back here. Okay, yeah, that's it. What do you think, Newman?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm climbing the stairs to destroy the ring.
We're climbing Mount Doom?
Yeah, dude.
That must make... So, I'm Frodo. Gotta be Frodo. You guys can suck it. My birthday, I gotta be Frodo. Who's Sam and who's Gollum? That's really the question.
I think Doer's Pip.
I'm Pippin? Yeah, I can see you be Pippin.
Found that for me.
He's the smarter of the 2 hobbits. Alright. 10:45. We just finished that first big climb before High Rock in 2 hours from 8:45 Penmar, 10:45 now at the top of the last climb, the first climb. Yeah. Next up, High Rock. Holy shit. Yes. Charlie up here. Ensign Cowall Shelter 4.4. That's our ultimate destination. Ooh, Spring's that way if you want to get water. And Raven Rock Shelter, which we're gonna have lunch at, is that way. Lunchtime. Lunchtime in the woods, feeling good. Lunchtime in the woods. Lunchtime here at the Raven Rock Shelter. Rain in my beard. They call me Rain Beard.
You're a rain beard.
You want to see my lovely lunch?
I'm going double coffee.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Dual coffee?
Two coffees in one.
In that little cup, hold.
Espresso.
Just give us a sneak preview of Doer's Own trail mix.
We got almonds, we got peanuts, we got golden raisins, or as Rick likes to call them,
Sultans.
we got cranberries, we got chocolate chips, and we got banana chips. 2 kinds of chips, one chocolate, one banana.
Yeah, I got the chips. Nope. Hey, Bam.
It's really nice in here. It's really crappy out there.
3 dudes, 1 shelter.
You do the math.
Back on the trail at 1 o'clock, 4.4 miles to the shelter we are staying. Windy and cold and wet.
There's a pretty cool white caterpillar back there that I was going to eat, but apparently it's poisonous, so good thing I didn't.
You gonna eat it?
I was going to eat it.
I hurt my leg. Ow. Ow.
Hook that shit up.
Ow. I hurt my leg.
Forrest,
Lieutenant Dan, I hurt my leg. I need ice cream.
Dan, ice cream.
Ah, shut the fuck up, Forrest.
Spend all day driving around, smoking the same old shit. Trying to write our own songs, so we sing others, we sing it just like this. Just like this. The names are carved out.
At the shelter at 3:45. The Ensign Cowall Shelter, to be exact.
I think it's pronounced ensign.
Ensign, that makes more sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Rain, honestly, the rain does not make it as fun.
You're just figuring that out now?
We got all of our hammocks and stuff set up. Here's my little setup here. Oh yeah. The Hammock Gear Phoenix 20, along with the Hammock Gear Burrow 20. Let's go check out Guru's setup.
What's up, man?
What's up? You all set up?
Almost.
That's a nice pillow. This is a really nice pillow, dang. Let's go take a look at Alex's slightly, I guess like we'll say rustic setup. Pro rustic. He'll be okay.
Water.
So bad news here. Spring is, well, it's not dry, but it's not like overflowing either. That's gonna be a big pain in the ass. It looks like just mud.
It does look like just mud.
There's no way we'll get fucking many liters out of it. There's no way. I guess we gotta walk down the hill a little bit and try to get. Right?
Well, that'll probably be easier because it's more rain, probably a lot more abundant.
Yeah, right. Plan B. Rats. So, it's almost dark. It's 6:30. It took us a long time to get water. We had to walk all the way down the hill, which is a common theme for me and Dewar and Alex. But we all got plenty of water, 4 liters a pop, and I'm gonna go back and eat some dinner and drink some scotch. Oh, okay. So here at the shelter, it's getting closer to nightfall. We have some friends here with us, and we'll have a little drinky poo. 3rd year in a row, boys. Well, 1st year for you, 3rd year for me and Dewar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy.
You're funny? You open your hand.
Look at this technique right here.
Yeah, let's see it. Crunch it. Everything's exciting when you're backpacking. Even making really cheap, not good food. Like you would not celebrate this fact and glorify this at home. It'd be sad.
New and Cam.
And I just came up here and there was a giant spider right there. It's real big. That's no good, dude. That is no good.
Blast it with light.
Oh my god, dude.
That is gnarly.
Leave it alone.
Leave me alone. Alright, yeah, I'm grabbing the pole now.
It's most likely just gonna chill.
Dude, this thing's gonna kill us tonight.
It's a spider, dude. You're such a bitch.
Yep.
It's a spider.
That spider is severe.
Kill him then if you want.
All right, I don't want to. That's too big. I feel like it has a soul.
Doer versus spider.
Oh my god.
What the fuck was that? It was a leaf.
I hope it was.
I got you. He's on the ground. He's going on the ground. He's fine. He's on the pole still.
Keep an eye
He's
on
on the
him.
pole. He's on the pole. Oh, don't know where he is.
Oh, we're fucked. We're dead. We're dead.
We're dead. We're dead. Here you
So
go.
dead.
Here you go.
Trying to get the fire going a little bit.
If you blow on it, it'll go. Alright, I'll do it. Yeah, get some of Deer's blow action. He's good at it.
You know it. You would know.
Look, I've seen you make a lot of fires, so I would know.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
That's all I'm saying.
Some good heat right there. That's part of that film. Good heat right there. We woke up in the woods, which isn't surprising because we went to sleep in the woods, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Hey!
Failing a bunch of times.
Regrettably, the weather on this drift has been rather unfortunate. We are in danger, therefore we must extract ourselves as soon as possible.
Oh yes! Oysters.
I need pass on that.
They're good, man. They're real good.
Oh yeah.
Green on
No, it's okay.
That's normal for oyster.
I think it's
I
really.
mean, I love oysters. I like fried oysters. I like
you're gonna
oyster
love
half
this.
shell.
You're gonna love this.
Oh wow, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's good.
That's good. I like sardines out of the can, like in the hot sauce. They can put hot sauce. Oh, it's so good. So good.
Good call on bringing the oysters, Newman.
Yeah. Nice, dude.
So, we are about to be picked up over here on Wolfsville Road. Decided to call it just the overnight, just to, you know, avoid more rain and wet weather. Overnight's still good, still counts. Still counts as a trip. I think it counts still.
Over by the tire swing, down